As I looked over stuff yesterday after class, I realized we covered a lot of ground, and I felt a little bit bad that I may have covered it too fast. So we're going to do a little bit of a review of yesterday, and with this nifty drawing app, just review some stuff, then move on. All right. So basic structure looks like this. You have a beginning, middle, and an end. So why is the middle longer? The reason why Act 2 is longer is because it takes longer to reason and evaluate. Like the way the mind works, the middle stage of learning, you have to evaluate all the different ways of figuring out your solution. So Act 2 is split into two parts. So this is the beginning, the middle, the end. And the beginning has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Act 2A has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Act 2B has a beginning, middle, and end. And Act 3 has a beginning, middle, and end. Certain things happen at these moments. That's basically it. It's that easy. Look at Act 1. Act 1 has a beginning, middle, and end. What are they? What's the beginning of the beginning, the middle of the beginning, the end of the end? What plot points are these? How does the movie start? The beginning of the beginning. So with Act 1, just think of it, you've got the beginning, the hook, the middle, the inciting incident, the end, the turning point. The turning point is the end of Act 1. Some people call it Act 1 conclusion.
Okay.
And then immediately following the turning point, you have the beginning of the middle. Have you seen Back to the Future? 88 miles per hour, right? He goes back in time to 1955. And he's thrown out of his comfortable home, and he can't go back. He literally can't go back. Don't confuse the hook with the inciting incident. So the hook is just the way you open the movie. You have to have some scene to start the movie. There needs to be an image, or an exciting scene, or a car chase, or fields of flowers, if it's a French film. You can just have fields of flowers, cut two fields of flowers, cut two fields of flowers, right? Back to the Future. It starts in Dr. Emmett Brown's office,
Right.
and there's
Right.
hundreds of
All the
clocks.
Ding,
Yeah.
ding, ding, and then the toast. Ding.
Why would they start the movie like that? It's a metaphor for time.
Yeah,
This movie is about time. Yeah, sure. They ask themselves, what's this place? We see Marty McFly, but we don't see all of him, not at first. He's introduced very slowly. He's revealed slowly, which is a trick. It's a good thing to do. If you just put a full-on shot of the camera on the actor's face, then there's no mystery, there's no intrigue. But if you show his hand, he picks up a guitar, he straps it on, he gets the pick, he turns up the thing, revealing very slowly, and everyone's, what's going to happen? He hits the thing, and he's knocked back 30 feet. It's hilarious. Have you not seen it? It's a classic. Yeah, so it introduces the movie through this metaphor of time. It introduces Marty McFly revealing slowly. Then it introduces itself as this funny movie. It's a funny movie. It's funny because everyone laughs when that happens. Now, what's the inciting incident of Back to the Future? I think it's when Christopher Lloyd calls Marty McFly and tells him to visit him at the mall. Yeah. But between the hook scene and the inciting incident, other things happen, right? You have to introduce the world of the story. So in this first sequence, yes, you need that hook scene. Yes, you need that inciting incident. But you also have to introduce the world of the story and the characters.